could have been bad. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Battle Arrow GT wing on an A90 Supra. So big shout outs, thank you to my friends at Battle Arrow for sending us this thing. I don't actually know what's inside this, so we're going to be opening it together. So our job's being made easy thanks to our friend Quan here, who's helping me wrap the thing. I was thinking of making this whole series of videos all black and white, but there's no point, whatever. So once the rear bumper is off, like past installs, you're probably gonna have to replace the crash bar. Just a lot of mocking up, you know, taking the bumper on and off and making sure you cut just enough and not too much of the slots or slits where you're supposed to insert the spoiler brackets. Probably all the hardware and end plates, and here is the replacement crash bar. Oh, you guys know what this is. Damn, just open that up. What the, that looks hella short, dude. Compare that to the one we have on the back of the FRS. What the heck? But yeah, you're right, it doesn't go to the bottom like it does on the FRS. It will go like right there. Maybe there's an extension on the crash bar. We'll figure it out. Let's open up the rest of these, shall we? There is a little bit of an extension on this guy. So I think this is the piece that sticks out of the rear bumper. And then you actually attach all the bolts on the outer part of it. In the box, you got the two circle brackets there, end plates, these crossbars, which are used for support. And before they would actually get you to like crimp cables together. And of course, you got the replacement crash bar. Well, it will be acting as your new crash bar, but this is the base where everything else gets connected to. Hardware, thank God, and they give you a couple of decals. Beauty. So it looks like some of the wiring is attached to this little clip here, but you do have to take off this little trim bracket piece off. And then also you might need a different tool to be able to get the bolt down here, but we'll just remove this first. Right, so once you got the 4 8mm bolts out, there's one here, one behind the wall here, on this side, and one right here, pretty much right above the exhaust. So you gotta be careful, it's kind of awkward to get a tool in there. But once that's off, you can proceed to just pry the clips off of this guy. Actually, before you do that, there are these clips in between. You gotta pop off. There's 3 of them. Alright, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the middle, right here, the center of between these 2 plates, and then I will also find the center of this, and we'll lightly mark off where those 2 slots should be, or where we'll start those cuts. No, trust. Yep. So when you're confident that you found a center for this, on the back part, it's okay if you mark it because no one's even gonna see this, but I'm just gonna draw the straight line, and then we'll match it up with the line we drew on here.
Is it this upwards?
That's it, yeah, that's exact way.
What? No.
Oh, what the hell?
Little did you know.
Oh, you're right. It's like, where do those things go? So yes, take these things off first, I guess.
So like this?
Yeah, that's
I
it.
don't have it backwards?
But since these whole, like, it can shift, right? Or that's pretty solid where it is?
Pretty much it, yeah.
Okay, then that'll make this easier.
Otherwise, toothpaste.
Do you have toothpaste?
Use cream.
I'll give you cream. I
I
confused.
assume you know how to use nail polish? Maybe not.
All we have to do is center it.
Test fit, 1. But first we gotta say hi to our friends. Yes, yes, yes. Gotta see.
Let's get. Oh, that's like the cleanest cut on all your cars is to date.
How are you, Birdy?
I'm good, man. Long time no see. Oh my gosh, what the heck? What's up, homie?
Coco fist bump?
Oh, so cool. Good shot.
That is fair. That is very true.
Okay, so far so good.
Oh,
snap! Probably could have stayed, so it's okay.
Roll that all the way down.
Test fit numero dos. So much room.
So shiny.
Put on some gloves.
No fingerprints.
Bracket's tiny, but the wing is huge.
That's so massive, dude.
The other one, the bracket's huge, but the wing is small.
It would look weird if it wasn't wide body.
I'm alright for now.
No, you're not. I'm beer. Not entirely sure if you're supposed to torque these, but I just tightened them.
Google crash bar torque spec.
Good call. Well, quick Google search tells us that it's about 25 foot-pounds of torque. Not too tight, but this is just extra precautions, you know? I mean, it's a GT wing, so it's connected to the spoiler. It really depends on how fast you're going. This is for OEM crash bar spec, okay? Not GT wing. I'm just figuring out if we should wrap the top of the deck lid in that same green or leave it black. I think this is okay. Like from the front. It's pretty decent, man. Ooh. Woo. Woo. God damn. That is so sick. All right, let's just throw on the end plates and call it a day. Some people don't even like to pay attention to the finer details in life, but I like to, so we're painting our end plate screws just gloss black. I mean, you could just go out and buy black screws, but artist resourcefulness. Beauty. Leave that to dry a little bit.
Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of shit make you forget that you've been living in hell. This for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me.
This guy was only supposed to come by and say hi. Ended up helping for the last bit here, man.
Vietnamese brother from another mother.
Appreciate the help, Lindell. Serious, man.
He's trying out his new profession.
I heard you just threw him a glove. Ooh, man. This type of music to get us in the mood. So they're just working on the last part, I guess. The last piece, which is the front bumper, which is usually the toughest to work with. You know, has the most curves and angles and most aggressive corners and stuff. So usually leave it for last, unless you're super ambitious. Have you bled on this car yet?
Have I bled on this car? No, actually.
Leave your signature?
Honestly, the first car I haven't bled on yet. Like,
Okay, I guess that's it.
I've done I've injured myself in other ways, but yeah, no blood yet.
No blood drops. See, now that I think about it, neither have I.
Yeah, I need to.
It means we're getting better at working on our cars. Or I guess it's another way of saying we're being a little more careful and cautious.
This for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me.
So it does sit a little bit higher than the roof. It's perfect. It's actually the most downforce you can give it.